Have you ever wondered if it's possible to design life itself? Imagine a world where we hold the power to shape living organisms at our fingertips, where we can tweak and tune their genetic codes to our liking. This isn't a concept from a futuristic novel, but a reality we're living in. It's called genetic engineering, a revolutionary science that enables us to manipulate the very blueprint of life. This may sound like science fiction, but it's not. Welcome to the world of genetic engineering. The journey of genetic engineering began much earlier than you might think. Let's take a step back to the mid-19th century, where it all started with a humble monk named Gregor Mendel. Mendel, often referred to as the father of modern genetics, conducted groundbreaking experiments on pea plants. His work laid the foundation of genetic inheritance, leading us to understand that traits are passed down through generations. Fast forward to the early 20th century, a time of great discovery. Scientists uncovered the existence of DNA and genes, tiny instruction manuals within each cell that dictate how we look, how we behave, and even how we age. This was a monumental breakthrough, a beacon that illuminated the path for the dawn of genetic engineering. With these discoveries, the world of science was on the cusp of something extraordinary. The understanding of DNA and genes, coupled with Mendel's principles of inheritance, meant the stage was set for a revolution in biology. Let's fast forward to the 1970s, a pivotal decade for genetic engineering. It was a time when science fiction started to become science fact. In the year 1973, a milestone was reached with the creation of the first genetically engineered organism. This was a bacterium that had been modified to carry a gene from another species, a leap forward that had been unthinkable just a few years prior. This groundbreaking achievement was made possible by the development of recombinant DNA technology, or rDNA. This technique allows scientists to take a piece of DNA from one organism and insert it into the DNA of another. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities and set the stage for the genetic revolution that was to come. As we moved into the 1980s, the fruits of this revolution started to become apparent. One of the most significant developments was the creation of genetically modified crops. These are plants that have been engineered to have certain desirable traits, such as resistance to pests or the ability to tolerate harsh environmental conditions. This has had a profound impact on agriculture, allowing us to produce more food with fewer resources. But the story of genetic engineering doesn't stop there. In recent years, a new technique has emerged that has the potential to revolutionize the field even further. This is CRISPR-Cas9, a tool that allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision. With CRISPR, we can now make targeted changes to the DNA of living organisms, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for medical treatment, agricultural improvement, and much more. These developments have transformed our understanding of life and our ability to shape it. The story of genetic engineering is a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless quest for knowledge. It's a journey that has taken us into the very heart of life itself. And as we look to the future, we can only imagine what new discoveries and innovations await us on the horizon. Genetic engineering isn't just about scientific curiosity. It has practical applications that affect our everyday lives. In the realm of medicine, it presents the potential to eradicate genetic diseases even before birth. Imagine a world where conditions like cystic fibrosis or Huntington's disease are a thing of the past. In agriculture, genetic engineering means crops that are resistant to pests and harsh weather conditions, ensuring a consistent food supply in a rapidly changing climate. And let's not forget biofuel production, where engineered algae can produce fuels that are cleaner and more sustainable than fossil fuels. But what of the future? We're looking at possibilities like gene therapy, which could treat or prevent diseases by modifying our genes. The concept of designer babies, where parents could potentially select their child's traits, is also on the horizon. The future of genetic engineering is full of possibilities, but also ethical dilemmas. In these brief 5 minutes, we've journeyed from the birth of genetic engineering to its cutting-edge applications. We've traced its origins, marveled at its milestones, and observed its profound impact on various fields. From agriculture to medicine, genetic engineering has proven its versatility and potential. As we peer into the future, we see even more transformative applications waiting to unfold. As we continue to unlock the secrets of life, one thing is clear: genetic engineering is reshaping our world.